Raiz is one of the simplest and most effective micro-investment platforms available today. It allows everyday people to build wealth gradually through automation and smart investing without needing a huge starting capital. But while the app makes investing easy, the real difference between average returns and consistent long-term growth comes down to having the right strategy. The best Raiz investment strategy begins with defining your financial goal and aligning it with the correct portfolio. Raiz offers portfolios ranging from conservative to aggressive, each with its own balance of risk and potential reward. For long-term investors, especially those under 45, an aggressive or moderately aggressive portfolio tends to deliver the best results because it leverages compound growth and market appreciation over time. Those close to retirement or with low risk tolerance should lean toward a conservative mix that emphasizes stability. Consistency is key. Set your roundups and automatic deposits to run weekly or bi-weekly. Even if it's just $10 or $20, the habit of regular contributions creates a compounding effect. Over months and years, small, automatic investments build real momentum. Avoid withdrawing funds unnecessarily. Raiz works best when money stays invested and compounds through dividends and reinvestment. Take advantage of Raiz rewards. Every time you shop through partner brands, cashback investments are added to your account. This feature turns everyday spending into passive investing without extra effort. Also, use the recurring investment feature to automate discipline. Investing consistently during both market highs and lows smooths out volatility and protects you from emotional decision-making. Avoid timing the market or chasing short-term gains. Instead, focus on time in the market. Leave your portfolio to grow for at least 3 to 5 years, ideally longer. Revisit your goals once or twice a year, adjust your deposit amount as your income grows, and always reinvest dividends. Finally, understand your risk tolerance but embrace the long-term mindset. Raiz isn't a get-rich-quick tool, it's a slow, steady path to financial independence. The best Raiz investment strategy is simple. Choose a growth-oriented portfolio aligned with your goals, automate your deposits, keep investing consistently, use Raiz rewards to boost returns, and let compound interest do the heavy lifting over time. Stay patient, stay consistent, and let your money quietly grow in the background while you focus on building your future.